If I've surrendered, then what's left to ask? There is no greater gain than having me in your life. I just want that you walk the path of truth with me. And I am not always walking beside you. Sometimes I'm in front of you. When I feel that something is going to attack you from the front, Om Swami will step in the front. Sometimes I'm behind you. When I feel something from behind is going to attack you. तो मेरा सरल सा नियम है, यदि मैंने स्वीकार कर लिया तो आप जैसे भी हो, जहां भी हो, मुझे स्वीकार्य हो। मैं आपका साथ कभी नहीं छोड़ूंगा। यदि मुझे छोड़ना हो तो मैं स्वीकार ही क्यों करूंगा? फिर तो लाख आंधी आए, लाख तूफान आए जीवन में, ये तो नहीं कहता कि आंखों में मिट्टी ना पड़ेगी, परंतु साथ में आपके होंगे, अकेला नहीं पड़ने देंगे, जिसको स्वीकार ले।
And I think some of you do sense what you mean to me, but probably most of you don't. You sense, but I don't think you can fathom the depths of it, how much it matters to me that how you're doing, if you're okay. And of course, I would like to reiterate, I'm not a therapist, which means I won't be available to take long calls or sessions. But I am a servant of Divine Mother, and my job is to serve. And that I never lose sight of. Please know that wherever you are, physically or any which way, emotionally or spiritually, that, as I said, you can count on me in ways more than one, and at least there is one person in the world, as I say always, and we have found that person now. Last year I said, let's go find that person. There is one person in the world who only ever wishes you well, your well-being, your happiness, your meaningful time on this planet is worth everything. It's worth infinity. I know you know, but I don't think there is anything I can think of that I wouldn't do for you. So, and that's my source of energy. I'm the last person on the planet, if you are my disciple, if you've taken initiation, I'm the last person on the planet about whom you need to be worried. I'm the last person on the planet with the bond we have, about this bond. You never ever have to worry, will you lose this bond? Will I do something? Will I sever this bond? I was once reading this, I don't know if I shared in one of the discourses or hearing. This man used this phrase, which kind of stayed with me. Just one bit of line. It said, "Chalo, chalte hain, jeete hain, apne hisse ki zindagi." I thought it was such a powerful line. Your share of life. He said, "Go, let's come live my share of life." So where is your share of life? When will you take that piece of the pie out from the pie that others have constantly been serving and say, this is mere hisse ki zindagi. And that is my truth. I want to lead and live my share of life now. And that is going to transform you beyond imagination.